Wey my country pipo, another matter don arrive again. E don shele again, e don red and burst. Wahala, dem say e no dey finish. Hello guys, hello pipo, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to una time. How una dey my amazing pipo? Hey hey, tori don japa my pipo, tori don wowo. Na since yesterday na I dey see dis thing for inside social media. I bin wan even talk put, I say make I waka pass no be everything person dey put mouth but as I come see am say our sister don already dey talk the matter. Asaboro don carry dis matter come out for her platform dey talk. Now I say may I still put mouth as I proclaim the godmother wey I be. Imemana gwanyo omagba. Una know the show, upcoming show, because anything wey dey come I dey update una for dis my channel. So I don bring dat 24-bit come show una say e wan bring a lot of our people come wey be say e never still bring, and still bring the ones wey don first bring before, the poster and everything. And the thing dey go on my people, I go dey update una, but kasala don already burst now for dis very poster wey una dey see so. Shey una dey see lady of song for here? Una dey see 24-bit? Oya, make we sit down with our popcorn, make we come tell dis matter. Because upcoming show wey be say 24-bit wan do for here now, wey dey here, 24-bit and Esther Edokpayi show don jam for the same day my people, and na the same state. Canada oje, Toronto oje. Oya, make we come sit down talk dis matter. Because dis matter na 24-bit e fit put im own for on the 8th of July. Now una dey see for here so. I no know whether una dey see am well. On the 8th of July. And dis Canada, dis thing wey dem dey go so, show so, na wetin be im name, lady of song na first post im own, because na the first start im with Stanley Iyorlanwa. But no be who first start or who last na we come talk for here so, because anybody fit carry a show come out at any time my people. So now the problem is that Esther Edokpayi don already fix her own date on the 2nd of July my people. So I go still dey show una. Una see am? On the 2nd of July, and now 24-bit don change im own to dis very date, and na the same hey, wahala dey o. Una know say if matter like dis dey happen online in-law must surely come out. So wetin make us bring am now? Una see on the 8th of July for here before, and now yesterday here 24-bit don change am. Make I read here for una because una no see am clearly. Story consent, Canada dates and venue is confirmed. 2nd of July 2023, venue Royal Event Center, 30 Gordons Market Road. I no really Toronto. For more details and information, contact dis number. Na dis one be the kasala wey just dey burst for inside media as we dey here so. So make we see our sister Esther Edokpayi. Una see am? So make I still read dis one for now. Esther Edokpayi aka Lady of Song, live in Toronto, July 2nd 2023, 8 p.m. Regular ticket $50. Sit in a table, I don't know, 100. Table of 10, 1k, 1,000 pounds, abi $1,000. I know see una money for that side. I no true understand down. So I fianyagbe. So wetin dey happen right now? Una know say if anything like this dey happen here Domenimosi, my fellow Nigerians, online in-law go come sit down gidigba. They go come dey judge am according to wetin our sister write for here say Asaboro. Make una see wetin she write for here. She say, over to you all, panel of judges. Okay, so the online law for our Edo cyberspace, so una see how many comments wey dem don leave for here. So my people, wetin go dey happen? I go dey take una along the comment section. We go read am and analyze am, my amazing people. Okay, so first of all, I go read am for una small, and I go turn this camera make una for see wetin people need to contribute for this issue wey dey on ground concerning Esther Noriedokpayi and 24-bit show wey come jam for one day and the same hall. Hey, but agelewa kugbe na aro ọkùnrin náà ga netwin ọsàgbọ̀nyá tó tàjí. So if rubbing of mind true dey this una show, Esther Edokpayi 24-bit, una go rub mind that day. I mean where PF Entertainment ọ̀gá ìlàdíàdókù ne maybe dey 30 minutes ọ̀yà kùkùọ́rẹ́ o. So 24-bit ọ̀yẹ̀wé kùọ́rẹ́. So we never really know how they want to fix everything o, whether they go still change date or not. But for now, we never really hear from them. Maybe they go do am for inside house, we never know. But first of all, make we see wetin people think about this very issue on ground, my amazing people. Say make the first comment say, the first comment na biggest dreams TV say make 24-bit calm down. Where the change of date from on the 8th to on the 2nd, and where e be anytime wey lady of song dey do tour, na 24-bit wan do tour. Let's say the truth. Okay, so na somebody come react, Osasu come react to say, you are not making any sense at all. No be embassy dey give dem visa. You know how many months visa dem give dem? You guys should stop creating hatred between dem. 10 people come give like to this very comment. Okay, I go still turn camera o. Una know say reading no be my mate, make una for read am by una sef. Make I fit read am say maybe it's the same program. You see no be wetin I talk just now say if rubbing mind dey, e fit be say na the same program, because since wey e be say pa Koberian, all of them don settle together, they fit rub mind o. So make we dey go. Na Asaboro come here come reply dem o. Na do abeg etin. So that one Asaboro come say nobody is creating hatred. Some date is not our problem, but some venue is my concern. I hope you understand. That is the same hall wey dem for wan do am. Like say na different hall dem for wan do am. According to Asaboro say everybody dem for dey their own. Ona kuorewe opa sakpomba, maybe nokpa okuorewe wiyanti ere Isaple road. Una understand? Na so e for be. So we come get another person say, my sister, e fit do im own tour anytime, but my main problem now is it should not be the same date. Okay, this one come say 100%. This one say dem call Asaboro talk show for Saga last week, she no answer. Na who sit down their own you dey find now? Let them be their mature enough to handle it. Ha ha ha. So now somebody say if 2 to 4 Sunday church service can hold in Benin City on the same day and in the same building, then nothing is impossible. Okay, another person said they are doing it together now. No worry, you people should be calming down. Okay, now somebody come still say people should wise up. This show business is becoming something else. Make sure you have paid your house rent and any other expenses before you think going to any show. I reserve my comment. Okay o. So another person say I wish they can partner together and shut down the show. Okay. Now another person is different sponsor. Dem both, the first sponsor of Mr. 24-bit is on the 8th of July, and the one he post yesterday was now 2nd of July. Let's just wait and see. Okay. um Another person come answer, na the same sponsor, check the two. um Another person dey reply, okay oh my sister, let me drink water and mind my business. Ha 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 ha. Hell, no more than no beg una business o. No be small thing o. If love dey for me, nothing dey. Wetin dis person dey write? They are all performing together. Is the same. Let be calming down, my God. So now somebody say Omoro gave abi Omoroji say 24-bit is very deceptive. He is gaining ground because of the mindset of some gullible and decent people. He is the only show promoter that does not show without doing a cast benefit analysis. As a result of this, he banked a beginning for money through donation. Who we How will a reasonable man be begging for donation in show business? It is only ridiculous that artists I have never seen, Don Nice, JJ Barry of PFM Entertainment, begging for donation. Please to to talk to your hair when you see a man that is always smiling. Some people don react put red head o. Na somebody say keep quiet, some of you Benin people like to cause problem with those Benin people. Now Omoroji say dat your hate with the inside your belle go kpai you, madam. Dem don dey fight o for comment section. So then somebody say Asaboro talk show, you want cause war for dis social media again. Leave dem make dem settle dem matter na wa. So na somebody, may I relax o my people. When somebody say oh my goodness, na only that one the person right now, nothing is impossible. Now somebody say this is serious, 24-bit should update his fans. Okay. Now somebody react, I swear both should do something. That is before that day. Time still dey now, they still get like 1 month. So Joy Idugbo say the very day 24-bit saw Esther Influence and Sandra Idugbo talking about Esther's show on a virtual call. That is the very day he announced his Canada show. This The man's heart is full of jealousy. People don react, they don put love for the comment o. I go show una sha. So make we see the wetin person come reply to this. Say oh, Joy Idugbo, commenters are really the problem we have on this social media. So he just announced it when he saw the video of Esther and Influence. Make so the location and the visa was granted the same day. Make una try dey fear God. Hey, wahala no dey finish o my people. E be like bicycle no dey use fuel. Na shine Samuel say Joy Dugbo, my dear, 24-bit has said it last year when dem play Europe tour. Not because of Esther. Everybody is a young boss. I don't know for. So now this one say, you, Asaboro, why can't you mind your business? Wahala be like waiting. So we get another one for you. Another comment say, in the last show, 24 bits last year, he brought out an account that people should donate to the needly. He collected money massively, and did anyone see him giving the money to the needs the needful? My people, wahala, e be like no be small. Na somebody say, somebody come still put red head for the comment. So now they come answer, how much did you donate to that problem, my people? So another person now say, go and work, beggar. Now another person, see them evil people lie by you there. So now another is well. So the last, I be the least, I don't know how to talk. He say, I no blame una wey dey use as abroad people. Okay, I no blame una wey dey use abroad people head. Na the people wey dey waste their money take dey watch una na be the fool. Enough of all this every month show from Benin musicians. Na be the last comment for here, my people. How una see this matter now? Me, I believe say maybe they don plan am together. They will go jam for that place. Na they come know how they want to collaborate the show. They come share the money, and we still pray say may not cause quarrel, my people. So make I show una the comment before we come dey go. Abeg, make una help me like and share this video, and una opinion is needed on the comment section. Wetin una think about all the matter wey dey on ground concerning Esther Edokpayi and 24-bit? Oya, make we go comment section. Na ya hear. So my lovely people, this one na the comment section. Una see am, 43 comments. Okay, so we don dey here now. Una see am, this one na all the comments wey una dey receive. Make 24-bit calm down while the change of the date from the so make una dey read down. Una see am, say anytime wey lady of song dey do tour, 24-bit wan do tour. Let's say the truth. Okay, so people will react. You are not making any sense at all. No be embassy dey give dem visa. You know how many months visa dem give dem? You guys should stop creating hatred between them. Okay, maybe it's the same program. Nobody is creating hatred, says Asaboro. Date is not our problem, but the same venue is my concern. I hope you understand. Okay, so the biggest dream TV, my sister, he fit do e own toy anytime, but my main problem now is it should not be the same date. So dem call Asaboro talk show for Saga last week. She no answer. Now who sit down their own? You dey fine now. Let them be. They are mature enough to handle it. So they are doing it together. No worry, you people should be calming. People should wise up. This show business is become something else. Make sure you have paid your house rent and any other expenses before you think going to any show. I reserve my comment. If 2 to 4 Sunday church service can hold Benin City on the same day and is the same building, then nothing is impossible. Abi impossible. I no know wetin dey write. I wish they can partner together and shut down the show. If different sponsor dem, but the first sponsor of Mr. 24 Bits is 28th of July, and the one he post yesterday was now 22 on the 2nd of July. Let's just wait and see. um wait and see. Okay, this is okay. This one dey laugh. Okay, my sister, let me drink water. No, not drink water, aproko matter. And mind my business. Hey, check the place I draw at the down of the poster. Where you draw now? Where you draw? I no even know wetin dat one mean. I no suppose. So if love dey for me nothing dey there. They are all performing together is the same. Let's be calming down. My God, 24 Bits is very deceptive. He is gaining ground because of the mindset of some Roble and decent people. He is the only show promoter that does not show without doing a cost-benefit analysis. As a result of this, he embarked on begging for money through donation. How will a reasonable man be begging for donation in show business? He is only ridiculing the artist. I have never seen done nice. JJ Barry done nice. JJ Barry PFL Entertainment be begging for donation. Please talk to your hair when you see a man that is always smiling. So then they come react to my people. Keep quiet. Some of your Benin people like to cause problem with other Benin people. That your hate will dey inside you belle go kpai you, madam. This one say congratulations. This one say Asaboro talk show you wan cause war for this social media again. Leave dem make dem settle dem matter na. Wow. Make dem settle their matter oo. Make we see who reply for here. Okay, nothing dey there. Anything is possible. The very day 24Bits saw Esther Sandra Idugbo talking about Esther show on the virtual call. That is the very day he announced his Canada show. The man heart is full of jealousy. My people can put thumbs up oo. My people, no be small thing oo. This is serious. 24Bits should update his fans. Why can't you mind your business? So my people, na here na all the comment reach oo. In the last show 24Bits last year, he not account that people should donate to the needy and collecting money massively. This give the money to Okay, thing wan off light too. No be small, it's well o. Na dis one say I no blame una o. I no blame una wey dey use abroad pipo head na. The pipo wey dey waste their money take dey watch una be the fool. Enough of all dis every month show from Benin musician. Thank you all so much for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. Anything una think about dis gbege, una comment down below. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.